we are looking at the preparations which should be made for testing the quality of a valve. In this case, we are focusing on the RV12P 2000, and for it, this machine has a programmable card or cartridge, which is to be inserted and is automatically programming the machine or the apparatus RPG1. The first thing you have to do is pushing the button for setting at 0. The second thing you do is at the same time pushing two buttons, this one and pushing the so-called S or Steilheit or mutual conductance measurements. And we see it is just over, say, 1.5, 1.6 milliampere per volt. And by the way, all the values should be within the limits pointed here. The negative voltage adjusted at 1 volt at 0 S measurement should be set between 1.5 to 4.0 volts. In our case, we have about 2.4, and that is within the normal range. Then we will start with setting first, say, releasing the measurement, and we measure here 2 milliamperes for the anode current, and this is exactly what has been mentioned here on the programmable cartridge. So the valve itself is in a good order. Important also is to know how the quality of the vacuum is, and when I push it, you hardly will see that a increasing of the meter, which is caused by the grid current, but is very, very minor, so you can neglect it. And also I can measure the screen grid current, which is about say 0.5, 0.6 milliamps, which isn't being provided here on this cartridge. I think I have now explained the whole working of the valve tester. One thing where I will focus on is on the cartridge information provided, and you can see it should be better. The so-called Steilheit or mutual conductance better than 0.9 milliamperes per volt. We had about 1.5 to 1.6 milliampere per volt. The negative voltage between 1.5 and 4 volts. Actually, we have now to be set at 2.4 volt negative. We measure 2 milliamps anode voltage. The 80 volts can't be checked because that is being fixed in the measuring apparatus, and also the provided anode voltage 140 volts. We can't check it, but we have to believe them. Thank you.